Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Dear students, I put an effort to explain on the use of reference manager because from the experience, I noticed that some of you unable to did not use any reference manager. Ada yang tidak tahu pun apa itu reference manager. So what happened is that when you write a dissertation or when you write references in your dissertation and the list of references, dia akan jadi bercelaru dan tidak systematic. So the options are, or the solution is for you to use reference manager. One of it is Mendeley, or you can also use EndNote. Okay, so here I'm sharing with you the use of Mendeley. The first step that you need to do is go to mendeley.com and create a free account. Okay, now I will sign in to my account. Okay, tadi ada problem sikit tapi I dah boleh log in. So this is the interface. If you click library, okay, it will show all the articles that you already uploaded before this. For example, here on Bank Islam, these are all the articles. Okay, so even if you are using different PC at different location, you can still get access to all your articles. Macam you buka email accounts lah. Okay, you also have an options if you want your Mendeley to be available desktop. Okay, so if you search for Mendeley, there is options whether you want to download Mendeley desktop. So here, following all the instructions, you can have the Mendeley available at your desktop. Okay, this is what Mendeley desktop looks like. If you want to add documents, you can click here, add which document, or specifically whether you want to add articles one by one, or you want to add one folder. Okay, from your desktop. Okay, let's say I want to add references on Islamic finance, so I just choose and then okay. Okay, so all the articles will be uploaded here. Okay, housekeeping. If you want to manage the folder, you can create folder by choosing this menu, create folder. Okay, so create folder. What is the name of the folder? Here, for example, I create a folder according to the topic, Islamic financial planning, Islamic work ethics, Islamization of knowledge, the theory, and so on. So it depends on you on how you want to manage your folder. Synchronization is you want to synchronize, so maybe you open Mendeley using your smartphone or another computer, and when you open the Mendeley desktop using your own computer, you want the list to be updated, so you synchronize here, meaning all the available documents or uploaded here or uploaded elsewhere using your account will be updated here. Okay, and then you can search. For example, you want to search for Sharia audit. Okay, so all the articles that has the name or the term Sharia audit will showed here. Okay, lambat sikit ya. Maybe another one. Okay. Syariah. So, semua yang mempunyai perkataan syariah akan keluar. And then if I click one articles, okay, showing match of 1 to 16 ni. So, akan ada perkataan syariah di mana-mana lah. So, it is easier for you to look into your reference on any particular or specific topic. Okay. And then you can also search literature search here. For example, I search for the fintech. So all the fintech articles available here, it comes from all the documents listed in Mendeley. Whether you can get access of this or not, it depends on whether your university subscribe to the journals or not. Even if you cannot get access, if your university do not subscribe, but still you can find it elsewhere as long as you have the title and the author, right? Okay, so here if you look at the menu, all the documents being uploaded here. Recently added is the one that you already added just now or recently. Recently read, okay, you last read 1 minute ago, 1 week ago, okay. And then if you want to create a group, you can create a group if you want the article to be or to can be accessed by your team members, so you can create a group, okay. And then you can also filter the documents, okay, according to author. So if let's say I want to look for Rashidah Abdul Rahman, so all the articles related to Rashidah will come out here. Or if I want to filter by publications, okay, or if I want to filter by my text. Okay, my text, for example, if I want to open, okay, before that, this is the view options that you have. You can also view the library as citation according to what format. But I prefer to view it as library table. Okay, let's say I'm choosing one for Irawan Febianto. So I click here. So here are the information of the articles. I'm do this correction because I'm using APA. APA dia tidak ada caps or capital letter di dalam title, just at the beginning. So I just, whatever written here is the one that will come out in your document later. So Islamic Bank. Okay. So you check other whether, sama ada author punya maklumat ni betul. Modern Economy Journal dan sebagainya. And then katakan you want to tag this as risk management. Okay. So itu tag. So kalau you want to filter by tag, so kalau risk management dia akan keluarlah semua articles yang you dah label with the tag risk management. You can read the articles online. You can use highlighter, okay. What color you want? Maybe blue, you want to put it in chapter 1, okay. Maybe pink in chapter 2. It depends on you how you want to manage it. Okay, zoom in, zoom out, okay. And if you want to write notes, add notes, risk management objective. Okay, example. So these are the notes. Pen is you want to move the documents up and down. Okay, referring to this, you can add any notes that you want. Okay, and then this is the notes that you already write here. Tadi yang you dah type kat sini, dia akan keluar list semua kat sini lah. So it is easier for you to find any important points. Okay, and then tools, how actually you want to use Mendeley in your write-up. Install Microsoft Word plugin. Okay, if you want to okay, let's use Mendeley in your write-up, and then you already install Microsoft Word. By choosing the menu references, you have insert citation, Mendeley punya simbol di situ. So let's say you are typing according to Nurul Huda. Okay, insert Nurul Huda. Nurul Huda. Okay. So you silap sekejap according to Nurul Huda. So dia akan keluar terus, so you don't have to write manually, tapi because this is the format, okay, keep manual audit, Sharia audit is okay, and then you continue. This is supported by the statement. Okay, insert citation, maybe here. Okay, so you can see it has been done for you. Okay, and then you type lah, still you need to type, but it is managed. So the format tu kira ikut APA lah, American style, APA, American APA ataupun IEEE punya style, yang mana. And then if you want to do references at the end, so insert bibliography. So semuanya telah dituliskan untuk you. Okay, katakan you nak tambah, however, orang lain pula yang cakap, however, Hasan, contoh says, so you tengok dia dah keluar Hasan pula. So your references ni memang akan following the correct format lah. So this is how Mendeley helps you in writing. Another one, if you want to find articles online, you will install Web Importer. When you install Web Importer, you will have Mendeley here. For example, you are searching for articles here, fintech, Islamic fintech. Okay, you click here, sign in. So all the available documents that has PDF format and available to be downloaded are listed here. Okay, you wait. Okay, this is the example. Tadi I guna Google Scholar, ni I guna Google. So Web Importer, when you click, dia ada keluar lah list dokumen yang you boleh pilih. When you choose it, you add, and then the document will be included in your Mendeley account. Okay. You can also use Mendeley iOS. You boleh install, and Mendeley Android. So sambil you berehat pun, you boleh search for the articles and masukkan ke dalam account Mendeley you. So to ease you in the managing the reference. Thank you.